everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today a review of the Bosch Serie 4 VarioPerfect washing machine. Before we get started, there's a link above now about how to install a new washing machine, and in fact the installation was this Bosch VarioPerfect model. This is the Bosch VarioPerfect Serie 4 here, and the thing which we liked about it is this EcoSilence drive. It is very quiet. Apparently the EcoSilence drive uses magnets instead of brushes, which is why it spins so quietly. It's got a nice easy manual dial here for the wash programs, very simple to use. Right, let's get this washing machine loaded up. Now I've got 5 big towels here which I'm going to put in the drum. So I'm going to be putting this on a fairly long wash, a cotton wash. So let's get this loaded up. And then I'll take you through a condensed version of the cycle, because obviously you don't want to be watching this for 2.5 hours. Well, you might do, but probably not. And today I'm going to be using one of these pods that you put directly into the washing machine. So I won't be using the dispenser drawer. I'll only be putting some fabric softener in there. Now I'm going to put some fabric softener into the dispenser drawer, and there's a link above now about how to remove the dispenser drawer and give it a good clean on this Bosch washing machine. I'll just take you through the programs here. The first program is Cottons. This is a 2.5 hour wash. You can have Cottons Eco, which saves a bit of water, and that takes over 3 hours. You've got Easy Care, which is for synthetic materials or any blended fabrics. Wool cycle. You've got a super quick cycle, which is 15 or 30 minutes. Mixed loads. Curtains, which is anything that's really heavy. You've just got a rinse, spin and drain. You've got the drum clean cycle, which is where you put nothing in it and it cleans out the drum. Any delicates or silks, any downs, so like pillows, sportswear, dark wash, any shirts, which is easy iron stuff, or an allergy program. Now I'm going to select it for cottons because I'm doing a fairly hot wash for towels. Now what you can also do is you can start it at a specific time. So when you've selected cottons, if you push this finished in, you can say I want it finished in 10 hours, 12 hours, up to 24 hours. Right, I've selected the cotton program. Now you can select the temperature. So this goes from 90 degrees downwards. Obviously we don't want to fry the towels. If you select speed, it just means it does it in a shorter time. If you select eco, then it just energy optimizes the washing by reducing the temperature. You can just cycle through that until it is turned off. There's a reduced ironing setting, which leaves the clothes a bit wetter. And Aqua Plus is just an increased water level and an additional rinse cycle with an extended washing time. I'm just going to select the RPM. This is revs per minute, the speed at which the drum spins. So I want it on 1,400 revolutions per minute. And I think we're ready to go. So just press the start button. And I'm going to put the child lock on, and there's a link above now about how to do that on this washing machine. You can also adjust the volume of the beeping and the button presses on this washing machine. And we've started. A really important feature of this washing machine is it can take up to 8 kilograms of laundry. Now a lot of washing machines can only take up to 6 kilograms of laundry, and this washing machine is exactly the same size as a normal washing machine, so why not have one which can take more clothes? This washing machine has got an A++ energy rating, which means it's better for the environment than some other washing machines out there. And it's got that really good energy rating because it's got an active water technology, so it only uses the specific amount of water that it actually needs. Now I don't want to rave too much about this washing machine because I'm just going to bore you all to tears, because basically it is just a washing machine. but it might help you if you're thinking of buying one. Hi, we're kind of halfway through the wash and I'm just going to do a bit of filming of me talking during the mid-cycle just so you can see how quiet this EcoSilence Drive is. Pretty quiet. I mean, I'm just talking normally. Now if you live in a flat, this would be absolutely perfect because it's pretty quiet. Right, see you on the spin cycle. While it's doing a specific wash program, you get this status symbol. The one that is lit at the moment means that it is washing. The next one along, which will light up later, is the rinse cycle. And then the last one is the final spin. And there's a link above now about what to do if your washing machine is not draining water. And now the Bosch Serie 4 VarioPerfect is doing its final rinse, spin and drain. I'll come back in a moment when it does the final spin, just so you can see how quiet it is. This is now on the final spin, and as you can hear, it's still not that noisy. If you're living in a flat or you've got someone downstairs underneath you, this washing machine is going to be absolutely perfect. It's really, really quiet compared with other washing machines. And also, it doesn't jump around too much. It's nice and solid on its feet. As long as you've got it on a nice level surface and you've got the feet adjusted properly, it's not going to give you any problems. Right, let's finish off with the final spin. And while that's spinning like a good one, I think I'm going to make myself a lovely cup of tea. Woohoo! We have takeoff! This is now going at 1,400 RPM. Okay, it's a little bit noisy, but it's not too bad. And it's hardly moving about at all. It's really, really sturdy on its feet. It's hardly moving about. Saying I'm going to have a cup of tea, I might actually have a coffee. So to be honest, I really don't understand how this thing works. So I think it's just going to be easier to make a cup of tea. And there's a link above now about what to do if your Bosch washing machine door won't open and it is stuck. Okay, the washing machine cycle is finished, so I'm just going to empty the machine of my towels, and after that I'm just going to leave the front door slightly ajar and the dispensing drawer open just to give it a bit of air and just to stop it going all mouldy, just to allow some air to circulate in there to stop it becoming all damp and disgusting. If you've got any questions regarding this washing machine, I'll be happy to help. Just ask them down in the comments below. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. If there's any other useful videos around here, then please select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.